Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a day or so ago, Vivaldi rolled out their latest upgrade to the desktop browser, version 6.1. And as I did post on, it did include a couple of new features. And one of the new features and enhancements was being able to access the new Bing chat using Vivaldi, where basically the browser masquerades as Edge, so you can access the new Bing chat, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description if you would be interested. Now, just to let you know that if you have experienced any bugs since upgrading to version 6.1, that Vivaldi now has rolled out their first maintenance bug fix update that will address some of the issues that users have been experiencing since upgrading earlier this week. Now, first of all, to double check if you have the update, which, by the way, the update rolled out earlier today, just a short while ago today, actually on the 9th of June. And if you are using Windows, to double check, as always, we head to the menu, Help, check for updates, and this will update the browser. And if we just head to the About page, the latest version and build is 6.1.3035.75. And it's just a point release 2.75 for the browser, which includes the improvements and fixes. And the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, which was upgraded to version 1.14 earlier this week, remains exactly the same. Now, first of all, just going through some of these fixes and improvements, there was a bug where removing a user profile was freezing the browser. So if you were trying to remove a user profile in the browser and the browser was freezing and crashing, that bug, according to Vivaldi, has been addressed. And they've updated the search URL for Bing. So that's a bit of an improvement for accessing the new Bing chat. They've updated that search URL for Bing. And the welcome page, which now shows in a new tab when you first launch the browser, after updating your browser, which obviously gives you highlights to new features and so on. Apparently, they have updated the translations for the welcome page. And also, the welcome page wasn't showing in a full user interface mode, because it's now loading in a new tab, as mentioned. So if you did experience that bug where the welcome page wasn't loading in a full UI mode, that bug has also been addressed. So that's about 4 or 5 improvements that have rolled out and bug fixes that have rolled out. So if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 6.1, then just double check your Vivaldi web browser is up to date. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.